Hello, yesterday I received a somewhat angry Facebook message from one of my followers. This person told me that I should quit scaring the masses over Trump's vision of the INS or the Department of Homeland Security. If you have been following my TikTok or YouTube channel, you will know already that I do not post every single day, or do I post about unverified immigration news. When I create these videos, I feel a sense of duty as an experienced immigration attorney to raise awareness about what's happening right now. You can continue to watch the mainstream media or wannabe influencers who pretend to know what the laws are, but yet they only focus on attention-grabbing headlines, or you can come to my channel where I'm only going to tell you what really is happening right now. In all seriousness, do you guys really think I enjoy making these type of videos on a late Friday afternoon when I really just want to go home and be with my 2-year-old daughter? No, ma'am. No, sirree. To anyone that doubts my content, let's go back to a video that I published right after the elections in November. It is titled, U.S. Immigration, 10 Things Donald Trump Did and Will Likely Do Again. Let's go back to see how well that video has aged. Let's see how many things that I got right and how many I got wrong. Mind you, the video only came out 5 months ago. My first prediction was that Trump was going to end the DACA program. Was I wrong? Have you heard about Trump trying to give DACA holders a pathway to green card status like he once promised? Nope. My second prediction was that Trump was going to end the Temporary Protected Status or TPS program. Was I wrong on this one? Nope. Trump tried to rescind TPS or end it for people from Venezuela, Cuba, Haiti, Nicaragua, and just today, Cameroon and Afghanistan. My third prediction was that it would be harder to apply for asylum. Was I wrong? Nope. Remember, it was Trump that closed the CBP-1 app a few months ago on January 20th so that people applying for asylum outside of the US couldn't do so. In case you were wondering, it's still down. My fourth prediction was that Trump would make it harder to apply for naturalization and citizenship. Was I wrong here? There are so many headlines right now that Trump is trying to prevent people from obtaining green cards in the first place. Unless you are part of that 1% and you can pay $5 million for one of his so-called gold cards that is slated to come out in a week or so, you're going to be at the bottom of the barrel. The fifth prediction was that Trump would make it harder for people in a Muslim-majority country, whether the foreign national is Muslim or not. Was I wrong? In case you missed it, just 3 days ago, Secretary of State Marco Rubio announced out of nowhere that he was revoking all of the visas for anyone with a Sudanese passport and would not approve any new visas from Sudan. Guess what? If you run a Google search right now, it will reveal that Sudan is a Muslim-majority country with 91% of its population being Muslim. Coincidence? I don't think so. I'm going to stop the video right here, but if you want to go back and watch all of my 10 predictions, feel free to visit my YouTube channel, Winning Long Advance. So the next time that you have a problem with my content, please contact your local congressperson. I do not create the laws or the news, but I'm going to report it so that at least people who watch my content will get the information that they need for their particular case. Think about it this way. If you are sick and you go to the doctor, would you rather the doctor tell you all of the possible reasons why you are sick? Or would you rather him or her give you a lollipop and tell you that you are going to be fine and that just because everybody else is getting sick doesn't automatically mean that you will get sick? Anyways, this is Winning Law. I'm attorney David Nguyen, and I really hope that everyone accepts the harsh reality of what's happening in the United States right now.